Hey y'all, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my little kitchen. Y'all, today I'm just going to be doing a quick little pastry for y'all that I have been doing this forever now for my kids. I thought that I had created this and this was my own little creation. Turns out I've been seeing these little things pop up. So, but anyway, years and years ago, I thought this was my creation. So I'm going to share with y'all what I always did for us a quick little dessert with kids. Now, you start with just a roll of Crescent rolls. These are just the butter flake. You can do the original because that's what I had back then. Probably didn't even have butter going on. But I've got these laid out and got these cut. And I have a block of cream cheese. And I am going to be doing 2 packs. So I went with the whole block of cream cheese. And I'm going to add my little sugar in here. I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of sugar, just regular granulated sugar. I have done this with powdered sugar. I've already measured it, so I'm just going to dump it in there. But I have done this with powdered sugar before. So any kind of sugar really works for it. And I'm just going to kind of cream this together. This was always the kids' one of their favorite things. I'm trying to, well, I better put that down. I'm going to dump it everywhere. Just going to cream this up a little bit. And if it's too tight, we're going to add just a little bit of sour cream in it. But if not, it'll be all right. I am going to add some vanilla. That vanilla just helps with everything, I think. I'm going to do about a teaspoon of vanilla. Y'all love the way I measure, I know.
Measure with your heart.
Measure with your heart, that's right. Anyway, we're going to just get this creamed up in here. Because what we're going to do is I have got some preserves here that I have made myself and put up. Just open this up and it's just as good as the day I put it in there.
Let me tell you. Oh, Lord.
It's good. So good.
I might have had a little sampling of that.
He did. I
said, make sure it was all right, you know.
We got to make sure. But I'm just going to mix this up. It's going to be thick. I'm going to add just a little bit of sour cream in there, just enough. Just to loosen it up just a little bit so it spreads easy. That's about a tablespoon there. And you don't have to do that step if you don't want to. I do want it to spread pretty easy though. And you can't go wrong with some sour cream. Alright, we're going to give this a little stir. Well, what's up there, Russell? You remember me making this?
Oh, yeah.
Way back in the day.
Absolutely.
I mean, way back.
Yeah.
I seen it the other day.
I still think you were the originator. I'm not sure what TikTok said.
Well, we like to think so,
yeah,
but
yeah.
Anyway, we loved it. It was something quick, and I'm telling you, I've used just regular jelly out the refrigerator. I did it with just cream cheese, and it is delicious. Made this yesterday. Just had some blueberries. I was about to go see Jesus. So, anyway, it's not that great. Whatever. But, so I've got me some blueberry. We're going to go 2 different ways. I'm going to do one with the strawberry preserves and one with the blueberry. But, this is mixed all up. And I'm going to see if it's, it's sweet enough. Yummy. Alright, we'll set this to the side. Alright, I'm just going to go in here because now this is the best part for me is the cream cheese. I love it. I'm just going to put a little bit right there. Let's see which one we want to go with first. I guess we'll do blueberry. Just going to put a little bit of blueberry there. And I'm going to roll them up. But I like to get all of it done before I roll them. Work in little steps. But that cream cheese is delicious. And I am going to make a little glaze to go over them. Yes, sir. It is some good eating right there. Some good stuff. It doesn't really take a lot of this, but You can also add a little cinnamon in this too, and that's really good as well. You can just do the cinnamon sugar. We've done those before too.
Yes, like a cinnamon roll.
Yeah, I didn't have anything in the kitchen but cinnamon and sugar. I sure did. Back then, y'all, this was cheap for me to do, and I know you may say Crescent rolls have never been real cheap. One thing about me y'all might not know, I was the coupon queen there for just a little bit. He's laughing.
Let me tell you, wow, that's a story into itself. Go ahead with that.
It's a whole
I want to hear this one.
Well, I discovered I could get all kind of free stuff, y'all, if I just clipped a little coupon. And I discovered that you could take coupons from different stores to another store, and honey, it was on. I would literally at night lay in bed and think of the deals. Just, oh, I could get that toothpaste for free. I got a coupon there. Da, 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 da. It was bad. It was a problem. But I admit it. But I will say, we didn't ever have to buy stuff.
You ain't worry about no toothpaste.
Toothpaste, shampoo, deodorant, soap, honey, we had it.
Yep.
My linen closet in the bathroom looked like a store when you opened it up. You would just be lines of soap, lines of this, even laundry detergent and stuff. And
y'all, this was back before the TV show. This was back before when people would go in there and have full carts and then have money when they.
Yes.
This was before all that. This was back before that.
Yes. One time, I'm kind of ashamed to say this, but I did help the church. I got 100 bottles of Kraft barbecue sauce for free. So there's that. But I did donate it. I did give to the church. They were having a barbecue. So I did have that in mind. I wouldn't have just.
Let me just tell you, as a couponer's husband, you do not go to the grocery store with a couponer ever.
Don't do it.
No. It's a 2-hour venture in each store, minimum. No. She used to have baseball card albums.
I did. It was all in a line.
She had it organized. Literally, she gave classes on this stuff, y'all, how to do it. She taught co-workers.
Co-workers, that's all.
Yeah.
Not a class.
Not. Well, I mean, I'm going to tell you. Today, matter of fact, I thought about this yesterday. We were going up the highway by where we live.
I'm going to roll this while he's talking, y'all.
And there was there's just like a little spot where people set up to sell. It's like a little, I don't know what you call it.
Just a little corner.
Well, it's just a corner, that's right. And undoubtedly the owners, whoever owns that area, that land, don't mind people setting up. Anyway, so these people were set up out there, and you rode by, and all you saw was shampoo, detergent, toilet paper,
sugar baby
all
done
that
got a
lined
deal.
up on about 4 tables. And I thought, well, I know where they got all that stuff from. You know. Anyway, so that was yesterday. I was thinking,
that's funny.
Yeah.
That's funny. Now I'm just going to roll this up just like so. If you want to zoom in here, Russell.
All right.
Get you a little close up. I'm just going to roll this little sweet thing just like this. Now, I will tell you, sometimes that little goodness will come out when you're cooking it, but it's going to be just fine. Now, I'm going to do the blueberry ones, and then I'm going to also put those strawberry preserved ones on there. And you can kind of just tuck the end just a little bit, give it like tucking it, putting it to bed. Just tuck and roll. That's all you want to do. And y'all, I'm telling you what, it may be so simple, but it is just delicious.
They are. They really are.
It's kind of like Rice Krispie treats. Lord, it's so easy, but it is just so good. All right. So this is the gist of it, y'all. And I'm going to, what did I do with my brush? Oh, I left it sitting right back here. I'm going to just brush this with just a little bit of melted butter. Just like this. Give it a little, just a little kiss. Little kiss of butter. And I'm going to roll up the strawberry ones. Uh-oh, that one come undone. It's all right, sugar. And but anyway, I'm going to roll up the strawberry ones, and we're going to get these a cooking, and I'll show you how I do my glaze next. All right, y'all. I have got my oven set at 350. It's going to be probably about 12 to 15 minutes. You just want to keep a little eye out on them. Of course, everybody's oven is different. And when they just get to be a golden brown, that's what we're looking for. So I'm going to throw these in the oven and show y'all how I whip up that delicious glaze that goes on top. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this just really, really simple glaze. And you can put this glaze on anything, or your fried pies, anything, okay? I'm going to start with about a half a cup of powdered sugar. That was a big old heaping cup right there. La, we're going to go with it, though. I do have 8 of them, so we'll start there. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of butter, just some softened butter. Just kind of work this together, just a little bit. And I'm going to add some buttermilk, just about a tablespoon of good old buttermilk. Give her a shake up before you use it. A tablespoon of buttermilk and a little vanilla. You know, we will have some vanilla in it. Be about a teaspoon of vanilla. I just spilled it on the side. Low. Alright. Give this a good stir. And that's all it is to it, y'all. Give it a little stir. Now you can make your glaze out of just about anything. A little milk and even powdered sugar is fine. But I do like the butter in it. It gives it just a shinier gloss to it. But that's all it is to it. I'm going to add just a little bit more buttermilk to this one though. Because this is looking like dough right now. Just a little buttermilk. And this is going to be ready. We got it in the oven waiting on it. And that's all. Some good old glaze. You want it to be a little thick because your pastry is going to be hot, and that's just going to melt right over it. There we go. That's the consistency you want. All right, now just for the pastries, we'll be good to go. Okay, it has been 14 minutes. This is what we've got. Yummy, yummy. It's blueberry and strawberry. All right, I'm just going to scoop these up and put them over here. And I'll show you the little process and won't make you sit through all of it. Oh, I did forget one thing. I do add a little lemon juice into this, so I added about a teaspoon of lemon juice. I forgot all about it. I said, "Lord, I done forgot." I'm just gonna go across like this, y'all. I was making us some what's the toaster strudel. This is what it reminded us of.
Yes.
Way back when. So I'm gonna get all these done, y'all. Get them iced up, and then Russell, you ready for a taste?
Oh, I can't wait.
We'll be back, y'all. All right, y'all. We have got these little pastries ready for Russell to taste. This is his favorite time. So you just come on in here, Russell, and
hey y'all.
Say hello. How to do?
Hey Dan. Looky.
Look what we got, Dan. One of y'all's favorites.
Yeah, buddy. Let's go back. I bet this takes you back to your childhood today.
Yes. My kids love these things.
Yeah, I love them too.
We did too.
Hey.
We did too.
I don't know nobody don't love this stuff.
I remember us saying, I want something sweet. I feel like something sweet. And I'd get in there late at night sometimes and whip them up. But anyway, because he worked night shift, as we already said. So that was thus the
late nights were a thing.
Yes. But anyway, here you are. Give it a whirl.
Blueberry and strawberry.
We got a blueberry and strawberry, whichever one.
Oh, we're going in for both, y'all. Taste testing. You gotta, you gotta do both.
You gotta try them out. Sure enough. Blueberry first.
Woo!
You have to get a breath on those.
I'm telling you,
so
man.
good.
I don't even know how to describe that.
No.
That is so delicious. That is a fantastic way to ruin a crescent roll. Yeah. I'm not normally big on canned.
Nothing can.
I'm not big on that.
No biscuits. No.
My daddy is very picky about that kind of stuff, and I guess I get it from him. But
Yeah, we don't do canned stuff.
no, we don't like canned at all. But this stuff right here, I'll make an exception because it is fantastic.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's
Well,
flaky.
who don't love a crescent?
I know,
roll,
right?
though?
It's so flaky. I'm telling you.
Buttery, yummy, and
And I've been holding off on this one because I heard that seal crack earlier.
my preserves.
Y'all,
It's good.
I can't even describe. Oh my goodness.
It is
You better get rid of them things. They gotta
Yeah,
go.
we
They gotta
got-
go. They gotta go today.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna share these. I'm gonna be
Yeah,
taking
they gotta
some to
go.
work.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
they really,
Hide them before you take them to work.
they really are that good, y'all. He's not exaggerating in the least bit. They are really that good, especially warm. Oh, it's a game changer.
Let me say.
All I need is a little milk, maybe just a little
Coffee?
milk. Oh, so
Yes.
good. But anyway, we're not gonna eat them all.
No. They're
gonna
going.
share
They're
'em.
going and yeah.
We're gonna share them.
I'm gonna tell you, if you try this one, it'll get gone, y'all. You'll go in there looking around. Where did it'll be gone? Gone.
Yes.
They won't be around long at all.
No.
That's
Try
fantastic.
these for your babies, your grandbabies.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Give it a whirl. Something quick and
Yeah.
easy and yep.
Yeah, I mean, you
It's
can't
good
get
stuff.
It's easy to make. I mean, you throw it in the oven 10, 12 minutes, what,
Let her
15 minutes?
rip. Let her rip. That's all it is to
Yeah,
it.
delicious.
Delicious, y'all. I hope you try this. Thank y'all so much for watching.
Yes,
putting up
thank
with
you.
us.
Yeah, our shenanigans. We
Our
had a little
shenanigans.
distraction before we got to this, but hey,
We're here. We're back.
we made it. We made it today. We'll leave y'all wondering what that's all about.
Well, we'll just tell you. He's grilling.
Yeah, I've got pork chops out there.
He's got pork chops on the grill, and he opened the back door, and a fly that I swear looked like you could saddle and ride come just moseying in here, just
And trust
flapping.
me, it's got its eye on this.
Yeah.
It will not leave it alone. It's like, oh, you think you gonna eat it, Hoss? You ain't eating it. That's gonna be me.
Yeah. So we just.
I've been on.
He's been chasing that fly.
Yeah, I've had a detail. I've been on fly detail here for a little while, but
anyway, we good. We didn't get attacked by the fly.
Well, if it showed up back here while we was talking, hey, you knew
just
where it
say
came
hey.
from. Yeah,
We got a new friend.
Yeah. If it flew into us and knocked us down.
Anyway, y'all.
Thank y'all. Sorry for the shenanigans. We can't help it.
Thank you so much. All right, y'all. Till next time.